Hello my dear viewers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you live here from the Canary Islands. It's day number 24 of the volcano eruption. Today I'm hiking into the mountains and there we can have a look what's going on over there. So today is an interesting day. We have a solar flare here this morning that reached the Earth with a geomagnetic storm. And there were some earthquakes this morning. I felt another earthquake. It was a 4.1 earthquake magnitude. And yeah, a lot of things are going on. The industry complex is, there are more and more buildings are burning, and today the 3,000 people, they have to stay inside of their house because of the toxic gas around there. So we will see if we can have a good look from the top. Depends on. Today it's a little bit cloudy. The hiking trail is very steep. What I like most over here is that it's very, very quiet. You don't hear anything because there are no planes flying over this island. It's not allowed that planes fly over the island. It is so quiet over here. Unbelievable. Here on this island you find caves everywhere. And the native people that were living here on the island, they lived in those caves. Someone was asking in the comments of the last video where the water supply comes from here on this island. So here you see that this tube and this fresh water and this tank over here. So the water comes from the mountains, and this is absolutely fantastic mountain water. You can see here the fish in the tank, some plants. Over there is one spot I like the most here on this hiking trail. There's a little plateau with a view down to the valley. And there's this little stone house over here. I like this place very much because, you know, imagine you would live in there, then in the morning you go out, you sit there, have your breakfast, you look down to the valley, to the Atlantic Ocean. It's so quiet over here. Maybe you have some goats around here, you get some milk from the goats, some chicken, and you live here an off-grid life. Very nice. I like to dream like that, you know. Once you had built such a house, this house will last for a very long time. It's only built by the stones that you can find here everywhere. I am hiking to the Torre del Time, 1.8 kilometers from here. And this is a watchtower where they are looking for wildfires over here. A few years ago, here in this forest, there was a wildfire. You can see the bark here. I can see here is that the ash looks different than down in the valley. In the city, for example, on the floor, the ash is like sand. But here there are much larger pieces in the ash, like that, look. Now I arrived at the Watchtower. Now I will show you on the map where I am exactly. After that I will make a little break and then I will hike much higher. Maybe we are lucky and I can get above the clouds and then we will have a nice view. We will see. Alright, this is the map of La Palma. Here is the north. Here I have my compass. Here's south, east and west side. And at the moment I am here, Torre del Time. This is about 1,200 meters. The highest I will get today is 1,500 meters. I was a little bit wrong when I said to 1,600 meters. So it will be 1,500 meters because I will hike from here to here and then I will go back down. And I started at about 600 meters. So here's the city of Los Llanos, El Paso. And here is the Cumbre Vieja. Here about is the volcano. And the lava stream is about here. That's the hiking trail to the Roque de los Muchachos, the highest mountain here on the island. Here you have a sign I show you shortly. That is a special place over here. I like it very much, with those old pine needle trees here on the side of the mountain. Oh, here you can see what those long pine needle trees are for. You see this fog over here, and now the fog condensates here on the long pine needle trees, and the tree will get water. Alright, I reached my goal for today. On sunny days it looks like that over here. I don't have much food with me, just some apples, some nuts and some coconut flakes mixed with honey and coconut oil. So now I will enjoy the silence here on the top of this mountain and the scenery, very beautiful. And then I will hike back down to edit this video. So if you want to see more hiking videos, maybe together with an overnighter here in the middle of nature, please give this video a thumb up and please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my newest videos. This evening I will be back at the hill and we will have a look at the volcano. And yeah, I wish you all the best. I say thank you for your kind comments and prayers. Thank you for your support. And I see you in the next video. Goodbye.